Okay, I'm making a bundle of leaves for ecoprints. I'm putting some face down and some face up to try to get the most resolution on all sides of the page. Now I'm going to roll the bundle. As you can see, I have several sheets here, several layers. Layers of paper, layers of leaves. Now I'm going to roll it into a bundle, and I'm going to use this twig, and I'm going to roll it like think it's a sushi roll or a burrito or a cinnamon roll. You just want to roll carefully and tightly as you can. And now I'm going to hold this bundle together, and I like to wrap mine in some gauze. And the reason for this is it holds the bundle nice and firm, and then it also gives some of the leaf color and staining to the gauze itself, and then I can use that in another mixed media project. Finally, wrap the whole thing in some twine. So you're binding it. Looks a lot like a mummy here. And then I'm going to put it into my kettle to steam. Now it's going to have a little bit of contact with the water, but mostly you want it to steam. So I'm going to put the lid on this and let it steam for 4 hours. I'm going to check it every once in a while to make sure it doesn't need a little bit more liquid. It's about ½ an inch of liquid there. And then I'll come back and show you the bundles at the end. And these are the finished bundles. They are, you can see they've picked up a little bit of charcoal color from the cast iron pot, and they're really beautiful and messy. And let's open one, shall we? So this is the gauze that I used to hold everything in place, and you can see that it is really, really distressed now, and that is going to look so great in something. I don't know what, some mixed media project, so hold on that. I want to just take some of these leaves. I am going to compost them, don't worry. Huh. This did not give me as much drama as I wanted, but it's still pretty, but that's a little better. Okay. Wow, yowza. That pops. I think undoing fresh bundles is one of my favorite things in the world, because you just don't know what you're going to get. But it's always fun and inspiring. That one turned out really well. Uh-huh. That's a winner.
very leafy. And that's pretty nice. These are still a tiny bit damp, which is a good time to iron them, because once they've dried on this heavy watercolor paper, it's hard to do a lot with them, but you can. So I'm going to go ahead and iron these, and then I'm going to make something. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help troubleshoot. If you want to see a more detailed tutorial for doing this, I have linked to that in the text here. This is just mainly to look at pretty pictures, but I do have some step-by-step instructions. You can find those. Okay, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. Leave me some feedback or a question in the comments. And until later, go make something.